pause all this conversation. You that bitch, 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 you know you that bitch, 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 bitch.
What's up, motherfuckers? Hey, motherfuckers. How you doing, motherfuckers? It's your girl, Alexis Dawson, and today we are tying and styling a plain-ass white button-up 5 different fucking ways. But before we get into it, I need you to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and then we gonna get into this bitch.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana.
Alright, so boom. This look is simple as fuck. All you have to do is tuck your collar in, and then you're going to continue to tuck all the way down the front where the buttons are. Button the last 2 to 3 buttons, and then tuck that to whatever the fuck bottoms you're gonna wear. Don't be afraid to accessorize, ladies. Layer long, cute ass jewelry, and you're done.
If you tryna get some sloppiana, I call my ops Appiana. They shut down Eve St. Loriana. I don't want you on my page, Blockiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They copying my style, Copiana.
Look 2 is for my bad and basic bitches. We're gonna keep it super simple, super basic. All you have to do is button the lower buttons to match the top buttons, creating a deep U shape. Keep the accessories to a minimum and style with staple basic pieces.
At Megaliana, you peanut head bitches is always Jelliana. I'm about to get a ring in my bellyana, tattoo my man name, then give him some Beckiana. 85 comma plus 3 zeros, plus another comma plus 3 zeros, then add a dot, bop a dot dot, bop a dot dot dot, then add a dot. Before the song came out, bitch, you been a thot. Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana, then back that shit up. On the cane, then
Look 3 is for my bossy bitches and CEO misses. No more boring office outfits. You're gonna flip one arm inside out, and you're going to button up so that your chest is covered. Then you belt and tuck and style whatever way you want.
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang, over, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana, I wanna see you bust down, over, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gang, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang.
Look number 4 is for my money-making mothers. Keep your coin and switch up your button up by creating a chic halter top inspired by fashion blogger Michaela Reverend.
I ain't dragging, I'm lit like a tick. For clapping back, bitch, I'm clapping on the dick. Bust it, I'm a savage. Bitch, throw it back like a 10-year challenge. Take him to the crib, then I push him on the sofa. Have his breath smelling like pussy and mimosas. We in French, tell him beat it up. And if the pussy stop breathing, give it CPR. It's so tight, think he slipped in my butt. I don't swallow plan B, I just swallow the nut. Pussy dope, I'm the dope.
This look is for my cool and cozy girls. You simply button your shirt the majority of the way up, and then you're gonna flip the top down and roll it down so that it's secure above your shoulders.
And ain't shit changed, bitch, I'm still one. All facts, no cap, no cap. Daddy, how you like that? Ain't got no time for no subliminals. After a while, bitch, being paid just means you're miserable. Yeah, straight lane. My pussy a bust down, yours plain Jane. I make him go insane. I fucking with my red flag on him. When I come, I say gang on the gang.
Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gang, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang, over, bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, over, pick it up, now break that shit down, break it down, speed it up, now slow that shit down on the gang, slow it down, bust it, bust down, bust it, bust it, bust down on the gang, over.